Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm doing another LEGO Polybag build-along. And this time it's going to be set 30522, Batman in the Phantom Zone. And this one is from the Batman LEGO movie. And what I wanted to see about this one is I was curious about this thing right here. I wanted to see how that was put together. It looks like they made some interesting choices with some of the pieces. And anyway, also, it never hurts to have an extra Batman. Although this is kind of the Lego Batman, and he's not really that serious of a Batman. Anyway, if y'all happen to enjoy this kind of video, I plan on doing a Lego Polybag build-along, one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications by clicking that little bell thing, and that should let you know each day whenever I post one of these videos. Alright, so let's take a look at this thing. Slide the pieces over here. I gotta tell you, I'm kind of not a fan of the Lego capes. I don't know. It seems like they don't, well, they obviously don't hold up as well as anything Lego related. Alright. So let's take a look at good old Batman. Now, this set does another thing that I don't really care for much. And that is, it adds in the extra layer here between the Lego minifig torso and legs, and I don't care for it. It seems like it makes it so the legs are less prone to stay on. Alright, so let's make sure I'm facing it the right way. Is there a right way? Yeah, this is the right way. Alright, so that's the belt. It just feels like they eat up, it's like it hurts the ability for the torso to stay on. But I mean, maybe that's just like I had one it was like a unicorn that didn't work out so well. Maybe this one's better. It's kind of neat. Okay, they've got like the eyeshadow thing going on the head. See? And there's like the eyes for the Batman and the squinty eyes for the Batman. Alright. I guess we should put on the cape. Just because. Might as well do that too. Alright. So we'll put on good old Batman's cape before we put on his head. But I don't care for these capes much at all. Alright. So we got that. And I guess we'll be happy. Smirky Batman. Because, you know, he's in the Lego movie. So he's made his choices. And then once we put in the eyes, as you can see, that's Batman. Alright. Can you see him? He looks pretty happy about this whole Phantom Zone thing. Alright. So now we got that taken care of. Let's do this weird thing that is the Phantom Zone, whatever piece it is. Alright. So step one, we take two 1x3s and stick them together. Not too painful. Alright, so we have one of the ones with two studs on opposite sides, and then we have two of the headlight pieces. And where's the second headlight piece? Here we go. Like so. And then we put two more 1x3s on top. Alright. Kind of a thing going on right there. So, alright, got that. And then we're putting a tile on one side here. And these three things across the top. Little round red lights. Like so. And then we're sticking a rod through it, a rod through the center. Alright, this Phantom Zone contraption thing is a bit more than I was expecting it to be. And this is interesting. Alright, so we got that. And then we put these two things here and here. This is sort of interesting. Like so. I'm not sure there's a way to get it flush. That's pretty flush. Alright, so we got that. So this side is going to connect to transparent antenna. And we're going to have it sitting on, this has to be a 3x3. So it's sitting on that like so. Yeah, so we got that. And then right there, well, that's super weird. Alright. So I feel like they're making some choices with this. Okay. So for this one, we need 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Now, this is definitely different. We got these here, and then the blue lightsaber blades, the translucent blue lightsaber blades, and that, and the same thing on the other side. And we got that one here. There we go. Thought I lost it. And this one goes in here. So we have this right now. Y'all can see that. And then we flip it back over. That's weird looking. Alright. So now we're going to do this thing. Okay, so we need 2 of these. So what we're going to do is put one of these in the center. Like so. Maybe we put one of these in the center like so. Actually, I learned from a previous set the better way to do this. We do this, and then we do this, like so. And then on top of these, it's going to be this, and this. And then we put another one of these things right there, and another one of these things right here. And then, man, this is a weird thing. I feel like I shouldn't line these up because it's supposed to look strange and weird, but I don't know. I don't know if I can quite get away with not lining them up. Alright. There we go. That's pretty lined up. Alright, so we'll save those for a minute. And so for these pieces, what we need to do is we'll clip these around the outside, like so. And we have them facing, we turn them all facing downward, like this. So we have them all facing down like that. And then we'll do the same thing for the other one. Make sure that's centered. And right there. And this one. And this one. Alright. So we got those. And then these are also supposed to be facing down. Like so. And then we put a weird... So we clip the robot arms on, or the claws. Like so. Weird. Alright. I feel like I need to go back and watch the Batman Lego movie again so I can better appreciate this thing. Now, I don't remember it being in the movie, but maybe I wasn't paying a huge amount of attention. Alright, so we got all those clipped in, like so. Then we attach these to the ends right here and right here, and then these clip on to the end of this. So 1 and 2. Man. Alright. Well, such as it is, that seems to match. We got that. That's kind of interesting. I mean, it was a little bit weird, but not too awful. And we'll give good old Batman a batarang. So he's got his batarang, and he can stand off against the thing. Interesting. Anyway, let me know what y'all thought. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for any polybags you think I should check out, or just any general comments, you can leave them down in the comments, obviously. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.